What's up, everybody? It's Chris from the Droning Company here at CUAV 2023 in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we just keep running into more and more friends. Dr. Will Austin from Warren County Community College. How you doing today?
We're doing fantastic.
Good.
We've had a great conference.
Absolutely, this has been fantastic. Now, what I got to ask is, what's going on with Warren? What's the latest? What's the newest? What can students expect if they're thinking about enrolling?
Yeah, so we're actually branching out even more now. So. As long as the United States government is funded this year, we're expecting a direct congressional appropriation from our two senators in New Jersey, Menendez and Booker, and that appropriation is going to build out an advanced fabrication lab for ground-based vehicles. So that will be added to our robotics center and our aerial-based development lab. So what's going to be great about that is we have a business incubator inside the same part of the school, so we're going to expand that. So you think of students as a person, but here's a nice thing. We can take your business in as a student. So what does that mean for you? It means when you come and you lease part of the property, you get access to all that kind of equipment and our knowledge to help you with the business, but you don't have to pay taxes while you're in the incubator because you're considered a student, so you're in a development. So our rent can be much more affordable than a private industry, and that's a great place to start in an incubator because you can get support not only with the drone stuff, but with like strategic planning, financial planning, anything you might need for your business as well.
Absolutely, and we actually had a conversation recently about that business incubator. It's one of the cool features of Warren County Community College is the ability to go in and sort of give what your idea for a business, a money-making machine would be. Give it a whirl without a lot of risk. I mean, it's a really fantastic feature you've got.
Yeah, and the other great thing is you're in Class Gulf airspace to test your prototypes up to 1,200 feet. So you're really in a nice rural area. You're located between New York City and Philadelphia. So you're an hour outside of New York, probably an hour and a half of Philly. So you're right there, but you're in a nice mountainous rural area. So it's a safe place to kind of test prototypes as well. So we think for the right business, it might be something to check out.
Absolutely. Now let's go back to the ground vehicles. I got to ask, is Warren County going to have one of the dogs? Are you going to have a robot dog?
Oh, we have a robot dog.
Oh, you have a robot dog? Well, now I got to get out there for sure. So, tell us a little bit. We obviously have talked a lot about UAS. Talk a little bit about how some of those applications, those ground-based robots might be used, what industries they might be prevalent in, et cetera.
Yeah, so you want to think about, coming out here at the airport, they were in restaurants already, so collecting dishes. So you're going to see stuff like that start to appear. All of the technology that's in the ground-based little robots that you might be building. You might actually design your own, fabricate it, and build the whole thing and program it. That's part of the program. But that's also the technology you're going to find in driverless cars. You're going to find the same technology. And that's a great thing about, when we talk about drones, we think about the aircraft mostly. But it's the same technology in the submarines, the boats, the ground-based vehicles, the driverless cars. You got the same technology on the Mars rover. So you really are expanded into the ultimate part of STEM. So what we also want to do with these appropriations and some of the grants that we're getting is really work on the AI, because that's the next thing.
Agreed.
I mean, here's what I like. You talked about Spot. We have Spot the dog. And what I like to talk to people about is Spot's great and he gets a lot of attention. But where's the Spot going to be in 5 years? It's going to have a Google or an Alexa type interface that you're going to talk to, and think about ChatGPT's brain inside this robot. You're going to have to work in this industry, you're going to have to understand all this technology, and it's coming, and it's not that far away.
Sure, absolutely. Now, and speaking of all the things that you have to offer at Warren UAS, the knowledge, the equipment, the ability to test that equipment, in the very near future, the Droning Company and Warren County Community College are teaming up to do a feature on Warren County Community College as well as a video on the day in the life of a student. Make sure you check that out. Where can they go to check that out? Where can they find out more about Warren County?
Just go to www.warren.edu and go to the About, and then just go to the drone site, and you'll find things there. And you can always call us or email us. We actually answer phones and answer emails. I mean,
which is great.
With people. Even though we do a lot of AI stuff, we use the
no AI in the phone system, right?
Hey,
Will, thank you so much, man. Really great meeting you. Absolutely.